How to turn on or turn off screensaver on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on screensaver. If you want to turn off screensaver, so click on none. After click on none, screensaver is disabled and turn off. If you want to turn on screensaver, so select color and photo. After select photos, you will see screensaver is turn on. You will turn on or turn off screensaver from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.